Satan is against the women. The woman is compared to the church, the bride, and he was fighting with this woman so that she should not be bearing, give birth to a male son. That's called as victory. So to fight with the women to not receiving the victory, Satan is against her to fight with her to destroy and kill the male baby, which is called to be the victorious son.
எப்படியேனும் புறஜாதியாருடைய மீட்பு நிறைவடைவதையும் சிறுவர்களுடைய மீட்பு நிறைவடைய வேண்டியதையும் சாத்தான் தடுக்கும்படியாய் போராடுகிறான்.
Satan is fighting forcefully to stop the redemption of the Gentiles, and in the other way he is fighting strongly against the Israelite also not to be the chosen people.
காலம் சமீபமாயிற்று என்று